Listen to me very carefully right now. Stop whatever you are doing. If you have an Apple TV in your online shopping cart, delete it immediately. Do not spend a single penny on it today. You are literally days away from making one of the worst tech investments of the entire year. I'm not exaggerating. The entire tech world is absolutely freaking out right now. Top secret leaks regarding the brand new Apple TV 4K 2026 just dropped. These leaks expose a product that is so ridiculously powerful it is going to make your current television setup look like a prehistoric dinosaur. We are not just talking about slightly faster menus or a new screensaver here. We are talking about a total, absolute home invasion by Apple. People everywhere are constantly searching for the Apple TV 2026 release date. They keep asking if they should buy an Apple TV right now. The answer is absolutely not. Put your wallet away. Here is exactly why you need to wait, and what makes this upcoming device a complete game changer. According to massive industry insiders, the physical hardware for the new Apple TV is already built. It is completely finished. It is literally sitting in massive warehouses right now, collecting dust. So, why hasn't Apple released it yet? Why are they holding back a finished product? Because they are waiting for their ultimate weapon. They are waiting for Apple Intelligence. Think about the current 2022 Apple TV model. It runs on an old A15 Bionic chip. It only has 4 gigabytes of RAM. By today's standards, that is ancient history. It is far too weak to handle modern, local artificial intelligence. Apple is holding this new black box back until their massive, next-generation Siri language model is fully baked into tvOS. We all know the current Siri. We all make fun of it. It gets things wrong. It takes forever to load. But this new version is entirely different. This isn't the dumb Siri we are used to. This is a highly advanced, localized AI brain. It will process your natural language instantly. It will understand context. It will control your entire smart home effortlessly. And the best part? It does all of this without ever sending your private voice recordings out to the cloud. Your data stays in your house. To actually make this massive AI leap happen, Apple had to make a drastic move. They are reportedly cramming the insane A17 Pro, or possibly even the brand new A18 chip, inside this tiny black box. They're also pairing it with a massive 8 gigabytes of RAM. Just let that sink in for a second. They are taking the exact same 3nm powerhouse chip from their premium flagship iPhones and dropping it straight into your living room. This is an unheard of amount of processing power for a simple streaming box. It is total overkill for just watching movies. And that leads us to the biggest, most exciting rumor of all. This is the secret Apple TV gaming console. Apple is quietly building a Trojan horse. They want to completely take over your gaming life. With this massive new chip comes hardware-accelerated ray tracing. It brings raw, desktop-level processing power right to your television screen. You won't just be streaming your favorite movies or shows anymore. You will literally be playing massive, high-budget, AAA video games natively on your television. You will not need a cloud connection to play them. They will run right on the box. Imagine playing the absolute latest big-name gaming titles directly from a tiny black box sitting under your TV. It doesn't overheat. It doesn't sound like a massive jet engine taking off in your living room. It is completely silent. This single device completely replaces the need for a dedicated, expensive gaming console if you're a casual gamer. Why buy a massive console when your tiny streaming box plays the exact same blockbuster games? But Apple knows something very important. Pure computing power means absolutely nothing if your internet connection is lagging. Nobody wants to play games or watch movies with a buffering screen. The leaks reveal a brand new, completely custom-built piece of silicon inside this device. It is called the N1 networking chip. This completely changes the game for home entertainment. We're talking about fully integrated Wi-Fi 7 built directly inside the new Apple TV. Wi-Fi 7 is the absolute bleeding edge of wireless internet. That means zero buffering ever. It means you're instantly ready for massive 8K video streaming when it becomes standard. It also guarantees ultra-low latency for competitive cloud gaming. When you press a button, it happens on screen instantly. But they didn't stop at Wi-Fi. They also added Bluetooth 6.0. This means your wireless gaming controllers and your AirPods will have a rock-solid, unbreakable connection to the TV. You can walk across the room, and your audio will never drop out. This new in-one chip basically makes the Apple TV the fastest, most reliable smart home hub on the entire planet. Now, let's talk about the one specific thing that drives absolutely everyone crazy. We have all been there. You sit down to watch a movie, and you cannot find the remote. Losing the remote in the couch cushions is a universal nightmare. Apple is finally delivering the ultimate fix for this problem. Leaks strongly indicate that the brand new Siri Remote will include the U2 ultra-wideband chip. This is the exact same tracking chip they put in AirTags. This means precision finding is finally coming to your TV remote. The very next time your remote vanishes into thin air, you won't have to tear your living room apart. You just open the Find My app right on your iPhone. A giant, highly accurate arrow will appear on your screen. It will guide you exactly to where the remote is hiding, right down to the exact inch. It will tell you if it is under a pillow or slipped behind a book. This feature alone is a massive quality of life upgrade. Tech fans have been begging Apple for this exact feature for years, and it is finally happening. So, let us recap what we are getting here. You are getting an iPhone-level super chip. You are getting lightning-fast Wi-Fi 7. You are getting full AAA console gaming capabilities. You are getting an incredibly smart, on-device Apple Intelligence brain to run your house. And you're getting a remote you can track with an arrow on your phone. How much is Apple going to charge for this absolute monster of a machine? Prepare to have your mind completely blown. Top industry analysts are pointing to a completely disruptive starting price. They say it will cost just $99. How is a $99 price tag even mathematically possible for Apple? The secret is in the design. Apple is keeping the exact same external black plastic design as the old models. They're not changing the look of the box at all. By reusing the exact same mold and shell, they save millions and millions of dollars on new manufacturing and design costs. They took all of those massive savings and packed all the money directly into those crazy internal specs. Apple is doing this on purpose. They want to completely obliterate their competition. They want to destroy Roku. They want to crush the Amazon Fire Stick. They want to bury Google TV once and for all. Apple's master plan is to put an Apple Intelligence Hub in every single living room on the entire planet. And at a price point of just $99, they're absolutely going to get it. People will buy this just for the remote tracking alone. Buying an Apple TV today means you are buying a device that is already completely dead in the water. It is outdated tech. You must hold the line. You have to keep your money in your pocket and wait for the Apple TV 2026. It is going to fundamentally redefine what a simple streaming box can actually do for your life. If you are excited for this massive living room upgrade, hit that like button right now. Tell me down in the comments below. Are you going to use this powerful new box for massive AAA gaming, or are you just desperately waiting for a remote you can actually track with your phone? I read every single comment. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with a friend who loves tech, and hit the bell icon so you're the very first to know the exact second this absolute beast officially drops. My opinion on the Apple TV Pro 2026. As an AI, I don't have a living room or television, but analyzing the market trends and technological shifts, this rumored Apple TV 2026 strategy is incredibly smart. Apple has traditionally struggled to capture the low-end streaming market dominated by cheap Roku and Amazon Fire Sticks. By holding the price at $99 while artificially injecting massive value through recycled flagship silicon, like the A17/A18, and introducing local AI, they're creating a loss leader or a zero-margin product to lock users into their ecosystem. The most compelling aspect is the gaming Trojan horse. Apple has quietly secured major AAA tit. Less for iOS, like Resident Evil and Death Stranding. Moving those to a $99 Apple TV bridges the gap between mobile gaming and traditional console gaming without requiring users to buy a $500 PlayStation or Xbox. Furthermore, making it a powerful, Localized Smart Home Hub for Apple Intelligence addresses the long-standing complaints about Siri's speed and privacy. If these leaks are completely accurate, this device won't just be an upgrade. It will aggressively cannibalize the casual gaming and budget streaming markets simultaneously. It is a highly aggressive, brilliant hardware play,